Okay, let's come back and can check our work against each other. So Brandy had 8 equal rows of stickers. She bought 5 more, and now she has 53 stickers. How many were in each row before she bought more? Okay, well, so I need to know how many rows were in each row before she bought more. Well, I have to do, I'm going to do just a comparison bar here. She had 53. She bought 5 more. How many did she have before that? Well, it's just subtraction. And 53 minus 5 I can do in my head. That's 48. Okay. So then I know then she had 48 stickers split up into 8 rows. Well, 48 minus 8 is 6. So she had, how many were in each row? There'd be 5, so 5 stickers in each of those 8 rows. Okay. Number 9. There are 5,280 feet in a mile in a 1 mile relays. Jesse had run. Okay, so the way I was going to think about this one is I was going to do another. I'll switch it up. I was going to do a comparison bar, but I'll show you how you could do this just with the Math Mountain. But it's kind of like you've seen me do these before. I kind of made this up myself, but it's like a Math Mountain. But there's just 3 parts to this one. Jesse ran 2,400. Maddie ran 1,800, and a third runner, don't know who that is, ran some amount. The total then was 5,280. So I would normally add all 3 of these up to get to this one, but I can't do that yet. First thing I have to do is actually have to add up those 2 parts. So I'm going to do 2,400 plus 1,800. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So they together ran 4,200. Now so if I know what this one is, these 2 together equals 4,200. Now it's kind of like a regular Math Mountain. A part plus a part equals a total. But I'm going to take my total minus my new part to get that one. So I'm just going to do that right next to it. 5,280 minus 4,200. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So that third person ran 1,080 feet. Last one, everybody. Number 10. A science poster shows 9 insects with 6 legs and a spider with 8 legs. How many legs is that all together? Well, for this one, I'm just going to show you how I could do thinking in my head, I would probably just do a quick fast array. Or, or I might even, I actually probably would even think about a math, equal groups picture. 9 insects. Gotta make sure I'm doing 9 insects. And each of those ones have 6 legs each. So just kind of think about that. So then when I think about with equal groups like that, because 9 insects each have, that's multiplication. So when I multiply all those together, I know that 9 times 6 equals 54. And I could do it like this. 9 times 6, I know equals 64. And there's one spider with 8 legs. Well, then I would just have to add on 8 to that last one. And so if I already know that 9 times 6 is 54, plus 8 more is just going to get to me to 62. 62 legs. And explain how you decided which operations to use. Well, for this last one then, I'm just going to say, I'm going to type this one out. I used multiplication first because it used the word each for each insect, and that's equal groups, and I added last because there was only 1 spider. There you go. Okay. You can go back and recheck any of the thinking off of what I just did here, everybody. Rewatch the video if you need to. But great solving today, everybody. Bye.